what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Bashing RC. It's been a while since I did some bashing, but we're out here today at our local park. I got Rich RC with us today, but it's drizzling right now. So, but anyways, I rebuilt a Traxxas Slash 2-wheel drive. We're just gonna go see if she can handle the terrain out here a little bit. So y'all stay tuned for that. Alright. Alright guys, so far so good. The car's making it in this muddy trails, I guess. But we're just kind of crawling through the trails and seeing what these cars can do. Like we said, we're out here bashing them around, getting them dirty, beating them up. So let's see what they'll do throughout the rest of the trail. Stay tuned for that. guys, so since the camera fell off the car, I am now steering, throttling, and holding the camera. Let's see how well I can do this. Oh. Yeah, we're putting this Traxxas Slash to its paces today. Since we can't be out here drag racing because the weather's been ugly. So, and I haven't been outside in a while to do any bashing. Figure why not pick today to do it, right? And it's raining. I mean, so far the car's doing alright. A few little bit of upgrades I've done to it. Like changed out the springs, went with the progressive springs, raised it up a little bit. Here you go. This RC's KRATON, throwing mud all up at me again. The system, for you guys are wondering, I have ARRMA 100 amp ESC paired with a cheap, very cheap Wish brushless motor at I think 4300 kV, and it's geared stock still. Yeah, I ain't want to get all that mud on me.